So good morning to one and all. Today's my presentation is green building. So what are the points I covered in this today's presentation? Overview of green building standards, green building issues, design and construction. What is mean by green building? So green buildings are high performance structures that also meet certain standards for reducing natural resource consumption. So green building means so we are going to reduce the natural resource utilization or usages. That is the very important thing in this green building concept. What is green building? Green or sustainable buildings are characterized by efficient management of energy and water resources. So in our residential building or construction of building, how to save our energy and water resources. It is called as sustainability or sustainable. Management of material resources and waste. So how to reuse the waste material in the building and also effectively used for materials. Restoration and protection of environmental quality, enhancement and protection of health and indoor environmental quality, reinforcement of natural system, analysis of life cycle cost and benefits of materials and methods. So what are the materials and what are the advanced methods used for our green building construction? That is one of the important characteristics in a green building concept. And integration of the design and the decision making process. So nowadays we are constructing a residential building but cannot compare to the green building concept. So green building concept means so we are going to introduce our natural material usage in building construction and also save our energy and water resources in that building. A matrix for such green benefits are articulated and certified by a lead, build green or other organizations. So the lead is the best example for to give the rating system for that building, how to save our energy and how to save water and what are the natural materials used inside the building and how to control the interior environmental quality and how to construct the building. So these are the points are considered before going to LEED certificate. Green standards are measure different environmental qualities of buildings. Each has a different emphasis and purpose. So what is a green building again? So green building standards include or green building rating system include leadership in energy and environmental design, that is LEED certificate for that building, and green globes, model green home building guidelines, build green and energy store and living building. So most important thing is leadership energy in energy and environmental design. So LEED certificate is given by governmental organization for individual building or industrial building or commercial building and apartments. Why go green? So where go for that construction of green building or why go for that green? Green makes business sense. Increased flexibility to allow for longer building and TA useful life in reuse of material, improved building performance. So improved building performance means so we are going to save our water and reuse of water and used for that same building and save our energy. So directly not used for electrical current, we are going to fix the solar energy in our building. So how to save our energy and building? That is called as improved building performance. Increased revenue, high rents, sales price, improved productivity, fewer shorter vacancies. So the revenue generation in that green building is also increased and also sales price. Suppose we are going to construct our building as per standards, so you are going to sell that prices increased. Lower cost, utilities and cost of conversions. So why going green is right thing? Reduce carbon consumption and energy independence, encourage community, preserve natural systems. So here important one is energy independence and preserve natural systems. So we are going to reduce our natural systems or natural materials. Green, a real or just marketing. So a real life use or that's just going for the marketing purpose. Lead has been widely criticized. So leadership in environmental engineering design. Focus is not on key factors in current climate change crisis. So now we are discussing about the climatic change condition. So carbon dioxide is increasing and energy is also reduced. That is the ratio. Looks only at prescriptive design, not measurable performance. So we are not going to measure anything in climatic change. And the favor belts and wasteless, not basic good design. Too complicated, bureaucratic, and expensive. Lead not necessarily valued in marketplace. 2009 RICA study, lead rating did not statistically improve rents, while Energy Star rating associated with rents higher by 3.3 percentage. So here compare with Energy Star rating with lead rating system, so increasing 3.3 percentage per year. Success together. So defining success together because of various standards and outcomes, it is important to work with client to understand just what client wants to achieve in undertaking a green building project. So in our field, so how to convert the normal building to green building. So as a contractor or as a client, so are going to consult in person to explain that what is the difference between normal construction with green building construction, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages. So we will explain for that client, then only we slowly move into the green building concept. Maximum people not aware that of green building concept, only 10 to 20 percentage of people aware that green building concept, remaining thing not aware. So as a client or as an engineer, we are going to explain in directly or in person to the client. Then only we are going to construct green building concept or to increasing the green building concept. Identifying parties, values, and negotiating agreements that result in wins. So you are going to negotiate in that parties. So normal construction cost is 1 lakh, 10 lakh on a green building green building concept introduced in that construction, that is cost is 12 lakhs. So what is the difference between these 2 lakhs that is achieved and also benefits for the future? So we will explain the values and also negotiating the amount and wins in the competition. Allocating risk, benefits, burdens, and responsibilities. So you will explain the benefits and risk for that green building construction. What are the benefits or what are the risks? So you will clearly explain that to client, anticipating and avoiding unnecessary trouble. So before going to start a construction, you will clearly discuss with that owner for normal construction or green building construction. So we will fix all these things, and the cost wise also will explain. Then only you start the project. So what is green building? What are the green rating system available? So why go for green? So in future or forthcoming days, the green building concept is maximum utilized and also save our natural resources and you save our energy. So that is the thing we go for that green building concept. Thank you.